let's check out this Toocki wireless charger. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it actually has got different output modes, so it can actually output up to 15 watts. And as you can see, it actually has got various modes over here. So this is what the packaging looks like basically. Let's open it up, and inside the box we do get a short manual, cable. So it's actually fairly good size. So it's around 1 meter, I think, should be around that or even more. So actually good size, and also the cable quality is real decent. So yeah, actually real decent cable. And this is what the wireless charger itself looks like. So it's actually, yeah, it actually looks really premium actually. So on the back it does have these feet over here, and we can see the specs here, input power and also the various outputs. So this is what it looks like. So overall, when we look at the quality, I think this is actually decent quality, and yeah, it's actually one of the better like Chinese wireless chargers. So is the 15 watts actually enough? Well, yep. So if you, for example, go to AliExpress or like Temu or Amazon, there are some chargers that basically promises like 50 watts of power and whatnot, but they are actually completely fake. So most of those chargers are actually even less than this. So 15 watts is actually pretty good, as most modern phones actually only have like 17 to 20 watts of wireless charging power. Some have even less than that. And it basically can be powered from the type C over here, as you can see. Can't focus. Okay, let's plug this in. And actually we have a fairly nice light as well as you plug it in. Check it out again. So yeah, the overall look and finish actually on this wireless charger is actually really decent. And when we put on the phone, it automatically starts to charge. So that's actually pretty cool. So let's see how fast it is. And yeah, it takes like less than 1 second to recognize and start charging my phone. So that's actually pretty cool. So when it comes to the charging speeds, I think the 15 watt rating is actually accurate and true on this charger. So again, it can charge other devices as well, such as maybe like even like some watches as well, I guess, which is pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, I have zero complaints about the charger. I have used it for a few days and it does the job. So it charges okay at fairly decent speed, just as you would expect from around 15 watts of wireless charger. Overall, yep, I can actually recommend this, and yeah, for the price it costs, it's actually really good. Personally, I paid only $1 for the charger, but the regular price is around 5 or 6, something like that. Maybe you can get for even a bit cheap, I'm not sure. But yeah, overall pretty decent charger. Good luck.